I don't know. Let's do it. Talk about. Is that grasshopper?
Yeah, baby, it's a grasshopper.
Let me do it. Okay.
Like a little kid. So this is how we got here. I'm Kelly, and this is Roni.
Hi.
And we met in California when I was doing a job for Apple.
Back in 2016. 2016. Yeah.
Okay. And we met on Bumble, and we started dating. We ended up getting married, and she moved across country from Silicon Valley to my hometown of Franklin, Kentucky. And it took a 3-day trip.
3 days. Non-stop. It was non-stop. It was completely different than what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like a road trip, like a fun trip. Nope, no. He was on a mission. He just wanna keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah.
I had to work, so I had to get back for work.
You didn't know that? Did
we-
not know that.
Well, it took longer than 3 days because we left on Friday, and then we didn't get here until Tuesday. Right?
I can't remember.
Yeah.
I remember we got here
So,
on May 1st. That's
Yeah.
all I remember.
So I had the farm for 5 months at that time, and she had never been on a farm before in her life. So that's why I think we're the modern day Green Acres, because I have a Silicon Valley type job, and she moved from Silicon Valley to this little 8 stoplight, maybe 10 stoplight town where she knows nobody.
Yeah, a place I don't think I ever in my life thought I was gonna move to Kentucky, you know? Especially growing up in Taipei and moved to San Francisco after graduating from high school, you know, just thought of my life will be in a city, you know, rest of my life. Never, ever thought I was gonna move to Kentucky where I only know, or my family only knows about fried chicken when we talk about Kentucky. So,
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
yeah,
Yeah.
so
So how's it been so far?
it's good. It's good. It's different. Very different, you know, like when I go out, like most of the time with my mother-in-law or by myself, I get a lot of staring. But I don't think it's about staring. It's more like, ooh, I don't think I've seen an Asian before, but okay, let me just take a look. You know, that kind of the staring.
Yeah.
But I think
Mhm.
so far so good. It's just I need to get used to the southern accent,
And not having Uber
not having Uber
or Yelp,
or Yelp or
anything,
pretty much. Like really,
no Chinese food.
anything. If you want something, you make your own.
Or we go to Nashville.
Or we go to Nashville. It's about an hour drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now we have about 50 head of cattle. When we started, I bought 105 from my uncle, and I rented the farm, which has been interesting. But that's a different conversation. So now we have 50 head. We have our main farm, which is about 150 acres. And then I have another 20 acres leased from a neighbor. So we're trying to make this work. And how would you say that's going?
I don't know. It's just farming. It's not something you've seen on TV. It's not something. Yeah, it's a lifestyle. It's a lot of he's not home.
Yeah.
He's never home.
You say that now, but you don't. Yeah. Now you say that.
But it's fun, you know. Sometimes, you know, look at them. they're just cruising around. They're fun to watch. I think moving to here, I feel like I've seen and I know now. I know a lot of stuff I didn't know before. It's kind of funny, but I don't think I ever knew pigs actually eat grass. Like, I didn't know that, you
Yeah.
know, I really truly didn't know. So, I mean, go ahead and laugh, but
So we had 24 pigs last year, and that didn't work out too well. They're still in the freezer, in freezer camp. We haven't had time to go to the farmer's market, which has been a huge problem. So the income has been, our off-farm jobs are supporting the farming lifestyle right now. So we've got to figure out a better way for this thing to make money, or it's not going to work. So we'll see what we can do. Fingers crossed. We have 2 years left to figure it out.
2 years.
Yeah. So a lot can happen in 2 years. What else?
I don't know. What else? Trying to start a family?
Yeah. That's becoming expensive.
Very expensive. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
a little, it's not that easy, you know, as what we thought it would be.
Yeah. But
So,
that's a different conversation for you.
yeah.
That's a whole separate playlist.
Yeah.
So
See,
for
they just follow us to here. They went all the way in the back. Now they're all walking towards here.
So stick around, see if we make it, and subscribe, and watch the next video.
See you.